is on you, then you're like, oh, I have to do it so properly, because usually I'm in my pajamas and just like, yes, let's make this. But now I'm gonna try to make it like, you know what this mirror says? Can you see the mirror? It says, this face deserves to break 100 hearts. I have this almond milk, but it's vanilla flavored because I love it. See, Femina, we're best friends now, that's what I'm telling you. Coconut cream is game changer for smoothie, I swear. I'm going to take strawberries and just cut the heads off. I've always wanted to do this. Thanks, Femina. Wow. This is almond milk. You can take any milk, by the way. Why? मैं चलता फिरता meme. I take a sip of my smoothie and give myself marks. Perfect. 100 out of 100. I mean, nobody else to give me marks, so I'm just gonna give myself. I do this every day, but I'm usually not this glammed up. So I'm really happy that I am. You know, it makes it a little more fun. So today I'm making you guys my favorite smoothie. This obsession has started a year back when I was in LA, and there's this very amazing, like, really nice place where you can go and get a smoothie, and you have to wait in line for like hours and stuff. And then I used to, but then when I was back, I was like, I want to make my own smoothie, like have a Anushka, you know, like Sen twist to it. And that's why I started doing this. There were a lot of trials and errors, but now we're good. So let's make it. Should we? Yay! I really hope I do it as, like, you know, when the camera is on you, then you're like, oh, I have to do it so properly, because usually I'm in my pajamas and just like, yes, let's make this. But now I'm gonna try to make it like, with some oomph. You know what this mirror says? Can you see the mirror? You can, right? It says, this face deserves to break 100 hearts. I don't want to say ridiculous, but I still believe in Santa. I know one ridiculous thing. You know, I used to love chewing gum, like just gum in general. So then somebody told me that if you swallow gum, then something wrong happens, like some stomach or something. Somebody told me that if you swallow gum, then it's really bad for your gut, everything will get like all your intestines and everything will just get stuck. Can you imagine? I believe that. So I would actually talk about Manikarnika, because that is one character which was, it was about a real person, a person who existed, who did so much for our country. She was a freedom fighter. When I portrayed her character, almost like there was a point where I used to feel like I was her. You know, and that happens in your character when you play it every single day. And there was TV shows we were doing like 12, 16 hours a day, sometimes more, for like months. So it really feels like that connection between character and you becomes so real that it feels like you're living her, but in this generation, because those sets are so beautiful and you feel like you're in that world. So it was just like, I was like, wow, she must be so brave to do something like that in that era. So okay, first let me tell you everything that I use for this smoothie. I have this almond milk, but it's vanilla flavored because I love it. And then I have coconut cream. That is my secret. Like, this is, see, Femina, we're best friends now, that's what I'm telling you. Coconut cream is game changer for smoothie, I swear. Why did I take this out? It's not a part of this. This is for my pasta later, what the heck? Then we have strawberries and then blueberries. Where's the banana? Wow, see? All over the place already. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. It was unreal because there's so many people there from like all over the world just looking at me perform, and it was my first ever like performance as a singer in New York with African American artist A.Y. Young. My bro, shout out to him. He's amazing, and we didn't have a practice session. We were just like going for the climate weekend performing, and it was so like surreal. It was not in the plan. It was like, you know what, I'm performing, why don't you join me and do this song? And I was like, wait, what? We are just still recording this. So I was not like really prepped. But then it was really great, and I felt like once I started performing, it felt like, you know, all those times when as a child I was performing in school or when I was singing in the balcony or anywhere, you know, I love singing, I love music in general. So when I performed, I think all of that passion, my heart, everything just was alive. be careful if you are recreating this, because I'm somebody who don't become like me. We're going to take strawberries and just cut the heads off. I've always wanted to do this. Thanks, Femina. Dress up, glam up. That also I did, by the way, on my own. And then now I'm making my favorite smoothie. It's great. Wow. You know, actually, I have realized that actually I like cooking. I'm gonna put the strawberries in. No, so my mom and my dad, both of them cook amazing. And I'm the one, I'm like, it's okay, I can eat really well. So like, my dad has some special dishes that he makes for both of us. Like it was Valentine's when I was at home, and he made my favorite dish for me and my mom. It was so good. It's like perfect, and there's so much like just perfection. And mom, I mean, fabulous. So I'm trying to learn. So my resolution this year is to actually have some like sane family legacy dishes, learn from them, of my family, right? Mutton keema. My dad makes that and it's amazing. Then my mom's fish curry, amazing. It's called Shorshe March, and Shorshe March is basically mustard fish. You know it, right? I mean, it's amazing. So really, I want to learn 2-3 dishes like palak paneer. I know how to do it because my mom makes amazing palak paneer. Love palak paneer, right? Amazing. So that's what I want. Then I'm like, I have like 5 mansions and like 7 cars. And I'm like, I really hope this rumor is true. I would, but I'm really happy with where I am at the moment. And I've come so far with a lot of like support from my family and my fans and a lot of dedication. And suddenly everybody starts to believe that, imagine, like they're like 5 and they make it so dramatic if you see those videos. Anushka Sen ke paas hai ye 5 ghare, itna but the houses are insane, like they're like huge. Like I hope that room is huge one day. All my tissue papers say heartbreak. Have you seen that? Every tissue paper it says heartbreak. That says heartbreak. I don't know what's happening. I seriously don't know what's happening. This is not intentional. This is not a drill. Or maybe it is. So you have to see it like 2 separate entities. I feel Anushka as a content creator and Anushka as an actor are 2 different entities, and it also goes hand in hand in one way. I know it sounds confusing, but because I've been doing this for so long, I've been doing this for about 15 years, I've been on social media for about 7 years now. So that's a long time. So when you keep doing it, it becomes second nature. Wow, this is almond milk. You can take any milk, by the way. You can take any fruit also. I use dragon fruit sometimes or any other fruit that I like. See, don't know what's happening. This is not intentional. This is not a drill. Or maybe it is. So you have to see it like 2 separate entities. I feel Anushka as a content creator and Anushka as an actor are 2 different entities. And it also goes hand in hand in one way. I know it sounds confusing, but because I've been doing this for so long, I've been doing this for about 15 years. I've been on social media for about 7 years now. So that's a long time. So when you keep doing it, it becomes second nature. Wow. This is almond milk. You can take any milk, by the way. You can take any fruit also. I use dragon fruit sometimes or any other fruit that I like. Perfect. Now, coconut cream. So, we put this like this, and we will use it later also. We're going to keep this set. And now to make it even more healthy, we're going to add some walnuts, because why not? So I'm that person who likes to be healthy as much as I can, but I'm also a big foodie. So if I start my day with a smoothie, I feel like I've started the day with a healthy kind of a recipe, and yeah, it just makes me feel like fresh and nice. I can work out after this, go to my shoot, and it's delicious. Okay, so now this is ready, and now we're just gonna blend it. I'm gonna keep this aside. It's not looking aesthetic. Aesthetics are important. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Yes, now say. Why? Why are you doing that, honey? power on in this bulb. It's lighting up. What the hell? Why are you doing that? Oh. This has to happen, no? Like something has to happen, which is like I'm a chalta phirta meme. And done! Just look how beautiful. Can you see? So proud. Showing it off. Because why not? Now we're gonna take a class. So this I used to see in that cafe. They would do like lines like when you're traveling. You kind of want to recreate that when you come back home because it reminds you of that day. Take my smoothie. Dude! Yes. And then, can you see? Woo! Look at that! Can I take a sip of my smoothie and give myself marks? Perfect. 100 out of 100. I mean, nobody else to give me marks, so I'm just gonna give myself. Maybe like my Polaroid camera. Yeah, but it's not like just the regular one where it's the small, the output is small. There's one which is like a wide camera, so the picture comes out this wide. So I usually try to take that camera with me everywhere possible. Both ways. It can't be one way because me as a person, I have learned so much from the characters, right? Every character teaches you something, makes you the person that you are. The person that I am at the moment is also a culmination of all the projects that I've done because they come with their set of experiences and people, and the character teaches you so much sometimes because the message that we are putting out in the world, sometimes we know it, but when we do a character, when we see the film or the show, we also realize it that yeah, maybe this is something that I was not thinking about. He'll always be my favorite, forever be. Like Shah Rukh sir is my favorite celebrity star actor, a person like that. But if you say talking about performances that have really like taught me or made me feel something, Shah Rukh sir and Ranbir Kapoor are two people I always like loved. So that is still shooting. So I haven't watched it yet. Yeah, we're still shooting that. So we haven't watched it. No, we're still shooting. We are just we've done first sketch, we have done second sketch, but that was of the series, so we still have to do more schedules of the film. It's going to take long. It's a film. See, when a film happens which has never happened before, anything that has not happened before, it takes more time, and that's why I'm being patient. See, I'm very passionate about it, and I'm very passionate that I want people to watch it, but I'm also having patience because we need to make this very nicely because it's happening for the first time. It has a bigger impact and bigger message. We have all these Asian actors coming together, so it has to go in a certain speed and manner, and it is going like that somewhere. But I do watch my work. I do. Some actors do, but I watch it not only to criticize what I've done and what I could have done better, because as an actor I don't think you can ever be that, oh, this was the best shot ever. Never. It never happens. You can always be like there was scope for improvement. But I watch it from, like I watch it to, you know how you said that the second time you go to watch the film is to see the audience's reaction. I watch it with my family to see their reaction. Oh, what are they feeling about this? Because I know what is coming out. So I'm like, oh, what are they saying about this scene? So yeah, maybe for that reason. Passionate, peaceful, family, travel, experience. Hi guys, it's me Anushka Sen and you're watching me on Femina India.